Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's V. I'm also known as Mustard Pickle Lady and Vajim 5000. If you want to see more of my face, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let's be friends, okay? Today we're gonna try something different. So a couple of weeks ago, my kids and I went and saw the new Spider-Man movie, Into the Spiderverse. So today we are doing a glamorous Spider-Man, Spider-Woman, a glamour woman, a Spider-Glam.
Spider-Man into the Glamourverse.
That's exactly what it is.
Sexually.
So first thing is I'm gonna glue my eyebrows down because I want to create the egg shape for Spider-Man's eyes. I'm still gonna do white eyes, but it's gonna have glamorous eyes, okay? Glamorous. What I like to do after I use the glue on my eyebrows is I use my MAC setting powder here and I tap it over top, and it actually helps the glue set way sooner. Wow, I look crazy. I look kind of crazy right now. And I've got the Mayron makeup. This is the Paradise palette. It's got all sorts of colors in here. Look how messy it is. Ta-da!
Glamour Man.
I think I'm going to put down an eye primer over my lids. Wow, I look so crazy right now. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can.
Glamour Man, does his makeup whenever he can.
I'm gonna go to work tomorrow and I'm gonna have red in all the crevices of my face.
Do it for the art, Virginia. Do it for the art.
I definitely look like I'm ready to go wrestling.
Goodbye, my eyebrows. Goodbye.
Do I look like Spider-Man yet?
Spider-Man, I'm Spider-Man.
Okay, I'm gonna go right into the blue, actually from Jeffree Star's Androgyny palette. It's called Swallow. I'm also gonna put this on the inner corner of my eye too. Oh, that's so red. Holy shit. That is like amazingly red. That's Fetish from the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette. Maybe I'll use some brown and some purple in the corners. I'm really gonna bring this up because I want to make it look like I have ginormous eyes. I'm just gonna get a brush that's already stained red and I'm gonna blend down the red under my eyes. And then I'm gonna get a smaller brush, kind of like this one, and put some of the black here along the corner, outside corner. This green is called Poison. I really like it. Let's see what it does next to this blue. Okay, I don't mind it. I'm going to cut myself a crease. So I'm just going to use this angle brush instead to cut myself. Like, I'm going to make the crease kind of weird looking because I'm Spider-Woman, Spider-Man.
And Spider-Glam.
Might actually go with this gray here. I don't know how deep that is, but I'm going to try it. Oh man, the pigment.
Damn, bitch.
Blending gray into this concealer line that I just cut into my eyeballs.
Cut them right in there. Purple on the outside.
Shit, look how bright that is. Oh man. Look at my glitter eyeballs. I need more glitter on this side, I think. Give me all your glitter.
All of it.
And we're gonna go in with this like purpley glitter and kind of blend it in with that glitter so it blends into the rest of my... Let's see if it'll blend. I don't know if it actually will, but...
Yes, queen. Yes. Hello, alien. How are you?
Hi, I'm Glamorous Spider-Man.
Glamorous Spider-Man. Glamorous Spider-Man.
Ooh, I love how he has a heavy black line. So I'm going to do that with my, back to my Paradise Paradise palette.
So glamorous. So glamorous.
Spider-Man was overdue for a makeover, okay? My spider bish is really coming together. Precision spider work.
It can take a spider up to 8 hours to build a web.
Did you know that? I'm Spider Bish.
Spider bish is a bish whenever she can.
I'm pale as a ghost, holy man. The ghost with the most. Now my Spider Bish can cut a hole with my jawline. I'm going to use some of the deep reds here to make an attempt to contour my Spider Bish. Oh, cute. Man, I like that. That looks good. Actually, a little bit over the brow bone, of course. I'm gonna do my lips, okay? Like, maybe blue. Ooh, it's like a purpley blue. Oh my god.
Damn bish. Okay.
And I'm going to get maybe a little bit more blue by adding eyeshadow over top. That's my goals and dreams. And I might even go in with some black and just kind of shape my lips a little bit. Ah! I put the iridescent in the center of my lip over top of the light blue I put there, and now I'm putting the blue on the outside. Oh man, so pretty. I'm like an alien Spider-Man.
I kind of love it.
Ah, yeah. That was me shooting web. All I need now is my wig. So I think it's super cute. Can I just wear this all the time? This is what it feels like to have no eyebrows, I guess.
No eyebrows for me.
So here is the close-up look.
Hi, I am Spider Bish. I'm about to go scale some buildings and beat up some bad guys and go out with my girlfriend, have a few drinks after.
Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you get a notification the next time I upload a new video. We've got lots of fun stuff planned for 2019.
So you might want to get in on that.
So anyways, I'm out. Peace.